If you're looking for a shady place to beat the heat, a new Torrance business might be able to help. The country's largest specimen tree grower just opened for business in North Torrance. Reporter Colleen Farrell takes us on a tour of Moon Valley Nurseries.
Look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Roy Sawansky is a matchmaker of sorts. As general manager of the newly opened Moon Valley Nurseries in Torrance, his mission is to help you find the tree of your dreams.
So say, Colleen, that you fell in love with this sweet bay laurel right here. So what I would do is I would set you up on a planting date. I would come to your home. You'd show me exactly where you wanted it. I would plant the tree for you. I'd teach you how to water it, how to fertilize it.
Moon Valley Nurseries is the largest specimen tree grower in the country, meaning each tree is carefully nurtured from seed or cutting to provide you with a young tree or a decades-old tree, depending on your need. It offers more than 1,500 varieties of trees, palms, and shrubs, whether that need is privacy, beauty, or something to fill your produce bin.
If you're looking for a tree that serves more of a function, in addition to just looking good, Moon Valley Nurseries also sells a variety of fruit trees, including this fruit cocktail tree, which grows peaches, apricots, and plums.
Here, smell this. This is our camphor tree. It's actually a natural mosquito repellent. Doesn't that smell amazing?
The company is a family-owned business that's been growing trees for decades. It was founded at an area called Moon Valley in Phoenix, Arizona, and has since expanded through Texas, Florida, Nevada, and California. Torrance now marks the company's first South Bay location. Its property spans nearly 5 acres, tucked between a residential area beneath the power lines. Your experience doesn't end at purchase. Arborist Train Awansky and his team are there to make sure your tree is happy in its new home.
It's like, you buy a real nice, luxury car. You don't go drive it off the lot. They bring it to your home. So this is that concept a little bit. I would call it the white glove service nursery. And this is, they make sure that what you get will grow, and they guarantee it.
Not only are they really knowledgeable in what they sell, they really stand behind their products and what they offer.
Unlike a marriage license, each tree Moon Valley Nurseries plants comes with a 90-day warranty. And to make sure the TLC continues after your tree is planted, Moon Valley also develops and manufactures its own line of fertilizer. It's a full-service model the company hopes will lead to a long and blissful tree matrimony. For Torrance City Cable, I'm Colleen Farrell.
Thanks, Colleen. Moon Valley Nurseries is located at 17715 Amy Avenue in Torrance. For more information on their products and services, visit moonvalleynurseries.com.